Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add custom text to the markers in Divi's Timeline module using Divi Booster. By adding short, clear labels inside timeline markers, you can make your timelines easier to read and more visually effective. Whether you want to highlight steps, statuses, dates, or initials, we'll show you how to set up and style marker text to complement your design. Let's get started. To make adding custom text to your Divi Timeline module markers as simple as possible, you can use the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster integrates marker text controls directly into the timeline and timeline item settings. This means you can easily add and edit marker labels right in the Divi Builder. Plus, you'll be able to style them using the familiar Divi design options. If you prefer a flexible, no-code solution where each marker label is easy to update individually, this is the ideal method. To get started, you'll need to install and activate the Divi Booster plugin on your Divi site. Once it's up and running, you'll notice new marker text options added to both the Timeline module and individual timeline item settings. Divi Booster is a powerful plugin that enhances your Divi theme with over 100 new features and customization options. It allows you to adjust layouts, modules, headers, and much more, all without needing to write a single line of code. If you'd like to learn more or get the plugin, check out the link provided in the accompanying post. Now that Divi Booster is set up, the next step is to access the timeline item settings. Start by editing the page that contains your timeline module. From there, open the settings for the specific timeline item where you'd like to add custom text inside the marker. This will allow you to customize the marker text for that particular item. In the timeline item content settings, you'll find a field labeled Marker Text. This is where you can enter the text you want to display inside the marker for that item. It's important to keep the text short and concise so it fits nicely within the marker. Examples of good marker text include step numbers, initials, short status labels, years, or compact words like start or done. Once you've entered your text, it will appear inside the marker, giving your timeline a clearer and more customized look. For additional timeline items that need their own marker labels, simply open each item's settings and enter the appropriate marker text. You can skip this step for any items where marker text isn't necessary, leaving them as they are. This allows you to customize your timeline efficiently and keep it clean and clear. To style all your marker text consistently across the timeline, start by opening the Parent Timeline module settings. Navigate to the Design tab, then look for Marker, Marker Text. Here you'll find font controls that let you adjust the default style for all marker text. This is perfect for ensuring a unified look across your timeline, covering elements like color, size, weight, and overall appearance. If you'd like to customize the marker text styling for a specific timeline item, you can override the default settings. To do this, open the settings for the item you want to adjust. Then, navigate to Design, Marker, Marker Text, where you can modify the font options for just that item. This gives you the flexibility to highlight individual items while maintaining a cohesive default style for the rest of your timeline. Now that your timeline markers have custom text, you might want to enhance your timeline even further. For example, you can learn how to change the style of timeline items on scroll, turn your timeline into a horizontal carousel, or add custom icons to the markers. For detailed steps on any of these customizations, check out the accompanying post. Custom marker text is a powerful addition to the Divi Timeline module, offering a clear and concise way to convey meaning, whether it's steps, dates, statuses, or other compact labels. This makes your timelines not only more functional, but also easier to scan. And if you have ideas for additional marker features like text presets, icons with text, badges, prefixes, or even conditional styling, we'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments.